done the formula for sum of n terms of NAP? Have we done, students? Sum of n terms of NAP. बेटा no noise please, there is lot of noise, बहुत ज्यादा noise आ रही है please. Right, students, so sum of n terms of NAP, I think you must have done it. Once again I'll explain you the formula for Sn. This is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula for sum of n terms of NAP. Another way it can be also written as n by 2 into a plus an, where a is the first term, an is the last term. So these are the two formulas for the sum of n terms of NAP. Right? Other syllabus we have already done from this chapter. So we'll straight away move to the assignment. Right, students? So come on the first question of the assignment. In an AP, if A is 1, AN is 20, SN is 399. बच्चों जो सेकंड फार्मूला मैंने आपको बताया अभी, just apply that formula. SN is 399. You have to find N. Just apply that formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus an. Right? Put the values of Sn, a and an and find the value of n. Please do it, students. Beta, no talking, please. Girls, students, don't exchange your notebooks. If you have any doubts, please ask me. ये तो क्वेश्चन हो जाना चाहिए था बच्चे अभी तक. Put the value of Sn. What is the value? 399 is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. Right? So इसको simplify कर लेते हैं बच्चों. Into 2 equal to n into 21. Right? So 399 into 2 divided by 21. इसको सॉल्व कर लीजिए बच्चों. 3 7s are 133. 7 1s are 7 9s are. So n is 38. Right, students? N is 38. Therefore, choice C will be the right answer. Any student not understood this question? Next question, students. The 21st term of an AP whose first two terms are minus 3 and 4 is. Very simple question, students. A is given, A1 is given minus 3, A2 is given minus, A2 is given 4. You have to find 21st term. You can find out D, आपके पास N भी है, so you can find out the 21st terms. हो जाएगा बच्चों ये? If yes, then raise your hands. Boys, बेटा हो जाएगा ना ये क्वेश्चन? Please do it fast. करो जल्दी से बेटा ये. नो टॉकिंग बच्चों, नो टॉकिंग. बहुत ही सिंपल क्वेश्चन है. गर्ल स्टूडेंट स्पेशली 1 2 3 4th बेंच, सेंटर लाइन. नो टॉकिंग बच्चे। जस्ट फार्मूला में वैल्यू पुट करनी है बेटा, फार्मूला लगाना है आपको, ए एन इक्वल टू ए प्लस एन माइनस वन इंटू डी। यहाँ पे ए भी गिवन है, ए दिस इज ए, डी यू कैन फाइंड आउट ए टू माइनस ए वन, what will be d, 4 minus minus 3, that is 7. So put the values, a n is 21, a is minus 3 plus 21 minus 1 into d is 7. So this will comes out to be minus 3 plus 20 into 7. 137 will be the right answer. Option B will be the correct options. Right, students? Come on to the next question. If the common difference of an AP is 5, then what is A18 minus A13? Now student, D is given to you, that is 5, and we have to find A18 minus A13. Now A18, can we write this as A plus 17D? And A13, can we write this as? Any doubt, bachon? Any doubt in this? Put this both values here. What is A18? A plus 17D minus A plus 12D. इसको आप सिंप्लीफाई कर लेते हैं, A plus 17D minus A minus 12D. So A cancel, 17 minus 12, that is 5D. The value of D is 5. So therefore the required answer is 25. And choice C is the correct answer. Is this clear how to do this question? Confuse नहीं हो जाना है बच्चों कि A18 minus A13 कैसे निकालना है. You should know it can be represented in this way. Now A and A will be cancelled out. You just require D to solve this problem. And D is already given in the question. Is this clear? Next question, students, very important question, fourth one. Fourth one is very important. Two APs have the same common difference, right? The first term of the one of these is minus 1. Let's say we have two APs. First term of this AP is A and first term of the second AP is capital A. They have the same D. D they have same, right? Now, first term of one of these is minus A, minus 1. So first वाले का जो A है minus 1 है, and that of the other is minus 8. Right, बच्चों? Then the difference between their fourth terms. What is the fourth term of this AP? A plus 3D. Right? What is the fourth term of this AP? That is A plus 3D. We have to find the difference between the fourth term. A4 minus capital A4 means A plus 3D minus A plus 3D. Simplify किया इसको students. So 3D and 3D are cancelled. Minus 1 minus minus 8. So this will be minus 1 plus 8. That is 7. Right, students? So answer will be C option. Any doubt in this question? This is very important question, students. Two APs are given. First term of both the APs is given and common difference is same. You have to find the difference of the fourth term. Is this clear? Is it clear or not? If yes, raise your hands. Any doubt in first four questions? Right, students. So we move on to the next question, question number 5. If 7 times the 7 term of an AP is equal to 11 times 11th term. 7 times the 7th term is equal to 11 times the 11th term. This is the relation given. What we have to find out? 18th term. We have to find out 18th term, students. How to do this? Use this relation. We have to find this. What is the meaning of this? 7 times 7 terms. 7 term will be a plus 60, and here 11 times the 11th term. Is it clear, bacho? Any doubt till now? Simplify this. 7a plus 42d is equal to 11a plus 110d. Is this clear? Take a on one side. Is this equal to 110d minus 40d? यहाँ तो कोई डाउट बच्चों? Any doubt till now? Any doubt? Yes, students. Any doubt to anyone? Now solve this. 7a minus 11a minus 4a is equal to how much this becomes? 68d. Right? And a will be equal to 68d by minus 4. That is, a will be equal to minus 17d. Now use this relations to find out A18. Now what is A18, students? A18 will be a plus 17d. Put the value of a as minus 17d. The value of a is minus 17d plus 17d. Answer will be 0. So 0 is D option. D option, students. Right? The relation given, you have to develop a relation between A and D from the given condition, and then use that condition to find out A18, means 18 term of the AP. Is this clear? Any doubt, students? Now comes to the question number 6. If the first term of an AP is minus 5, first term of the AP means A is minus 5, and the common difference is 2. Then the sum of the first 6 terms, you have to find S6. What is the formula? Sn n by 2, 2a. What is a? Plus n minus n is here 6. 6 minus 1 into d is 2. This will be the answer. 6 by 2, 3 minus 10 plus 5 to the 10. Cancel ji. So that will be S6 will be 0. A option, students. Yes, any doubt, bachcho? Any doubt? Yes. Beta, is this question clear? All the 6 MCQs are clear? Any doubt, please let me know. Chaliye. We move into the assertion reason question. Question number 7. Now, assertion is given minus 5 by 2, 0, 5 by 2, and so on is in arithmetic progression. First of all, tell me whether this is arithmetic progression or not. How will you check this is arithmetic progression? This is A2, this is A1, this is A3. A2 minus A1, what it will be? Minus 5 by 2 minus 5. So what is D? Minus 5 by 2 plus 5. इसको solve किया, so it will be 5 by 2. So how much is D? 5 by 2. Now check from the third and second term. The difference of third minus second term. 0 minus 5 by 2. That is 5 by 2. So common difference comes out to be the same. Hence it is an AP. Is this clear? So assertion is true. Assertion is true. Now what is the reason? The terms of an arithmetic progression cannot have both positive and negative rational numbers. Is it true or false, बच्चों? If it is true, then raise your hands. Is reason true? Yes, बच्चे आ जाइए जिन्होंने हैंड रेज किया है ना ये. Please explain how it is true, बच्चे. आ जाओ बेटा, आ जाओ. How this is true? Reason is true. Please explain. एक ही स्टूडेंट ने हैंड रेज किया बेटा. ये मेरी राइट साइड पे गर्ल स्टूडेंट है, पीछे से फोर्थ बेंच है. हाँ जी, आपने हैंड रेज किया ना, आप आ जाइए बेटा. Please come and explain how it is true. माइक ऑन कीजिए. हाँ जी बच्चे. हाँ जी, फॉल्स क्यों है बेटा ये? Why it is false? बच्चे ही से. हाँ जी,
पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव हो सकती है,
दोनों हो सकती है. एंड वी हैव प्रूव्ड दिस इन द असर्शन. सो हैंस दिस इज फॉल्स. सो ए इज ट्रू. प्लीज सिट डाउन. ए इज ट्रू, आर इज फॉल्स. सो ऑप्शन सी ऑप्शन हो जाएगी बच्चों यहाँ पे. ए इज ट्रू, आर इज फॉल्स इज ऑप्शन सी. नाउ क्वेश्चन 8 स्टूडेंट. assertion sequence -1 -1 -1 up to -1 is an AP. Yes or no? Is it an AP or not? Bache, is this AP or not? If yes, please raise your hand. Yes बच्चों, क्योंकि कॉमन डिफरेंस 0 आ रहा है इसमें. राइट. सो नाउ रीजन इन एन एपी an माइनस, यहाँ पे बच्चे थोड़ा सा चेंज कर लो, ये रॉन्ग लिखा हुआ है. an माइनस an-1 होना चाहिए. If in an AP, if an-1 is constant, where n is greater than equal to 2 and n belongs to n. यहाँ पे कुछ क्लैरिटी नहीं है इसमें ना. यहाँ पे इन n की जगह ना इन दिस AP आ सकता है. ठीक है जी. इन दिस AP an-1 is constant where n is greater than equal to 2 and n belongs to n. So then it becomes true. In this AP आ जाना चाहिए n की प्लेस पे. In this AP, then it will be true. But otherwise it is false. So A is true, R is false. So hence it is C option again. Question number 8 is C option. Now comes to the students' case study based questions. In the month of April to June 2022, the export of passenger cars from India increased by 26% in the corresponding quarter of 21-22. बेटा पहले तो मुझे ये बताओ कि ये स्टेटमेंट आप लोगों को समझ आई या नहीं आई? समझ में आई या नहीं आई जी? देखिए क्या होता है बच्चे, जब हम किसी कंपनी की बात करते हैं, उसके बिजनेस की बात करते हैं, इन आवर कंट्री जो बिजनेस होता है, जैसे आप लोगों का एकेडमिक ईयर होता है ना बच्चे, 1 अप्रैल टू 31 मार्च. राइट. 1 अप्रैल टू 31 मार्च होता है आप लोगों का एकेडमिक ईयर. सिमिलरली वी हैव द फाइनेंशियल ईयर which goes from 1 अप्रैल टू 31 मार्च. राइट. कितने मंथ हो गए बच्चों ये? 12 मंथ्स. यहाँ पे 3 मंथ के क्वार्टर्स होते हैं. द क्वार्टर्स आर अप्रैल टू जून, जुलाई टू सितंबर, जैसे आप लोगों के होते हैं ना हाफ ईयरली. ठीक है, ऐसे ही अक्टूबर टू दिसंबर एंड जनवरी टू मार्च. राइट, दिस इज नोन एज वन क्वार्टर. वन क्वार्टर, इसको बोलते हैं क्वार्टर. नाउ ही इज टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस. नाउ व्हाट ही सेज, द एक्सपोर्ट ऑफ पैसेंजर कार्स from India increased by 26% in the corresponding quarter of 21-22. इसका क्या मीनिंग हुआ? अगर मैं ये वाला क्वार्टर ले रहा हूं तो इस क्वार्टर में जो फाइनेंशियल ईयर था 21-22, इसमें जो सेल थी दैट इंक्रीज बाय 26% in the first quarter of 22-23. As in your case of your academic year, we says na, at present it is 26-27 academic year is going on, right? इसका जो corresponding past था that was July to September, July to September 25-26. So similarly here, this is the corresponding quarter of a year. Is this clear? यहाँ तो कोई terminology में doubt है तो please tell me. If anybody has not understood, what is the meaning of this statement? Means if यहाँ पे 100 cars की सेल थी तो यहाँ पे सेल्स कितनी हो गई? It increased by 26%. Have you understood this thing? If the sale of the passenger cars was 100 in April to June quarter of 21-22, then it has risen to 126 in the corresponding quarter. Any doubt till now, बच्चों? Now comes to the next statement. A car manufacturing company planned to produce 1800 cars in 4th year. अब हमारा एपी शुरू हो गया. This company is planning to produce 1800 cars in the 4th year and 2600 cars in the 8th year. Assuming that the production increases uniformly by fixed number every year. Means now we have come to the AP. We are assuming कि हर साल जो है प्रोडक्शन एक ही नंबर से इंक्रीज हो रही है. Suppose if it has increased by 150 every year, so every year it is going by 150. So this is the question now. These two things are given: 4th year production and 8th year. Assuming that the production increases uniformly by a fixed number every year, based on the above information, answer the following questions. बेटा आपको A for 8 given है. First question is you have to find the production in the first year. Can anybody explain me how to do this question now? Please raise your hand. Who can explain me how to do this? Anyone? All are topper students. सारे toppers हैं ना बेटा? You have done this chapter in your class also. Any one of you should be able to explain this, how to do this question. Yes, ma'am. My humble request, please send anybody to explain this. Can anybody come and explain? चलिए कोई बात नहीं. I'll explain how to do this if you are not coming. चलिए देखिए बच्चे किस तरह से होगा ये. It is given that 4th year the production should be 18. What do you mean by 4th? A plus 3D. First year is represented by the first term, second year by the second term, third year by the third term, and so on. So 4th year is the fourth term of the AP. As the production is increases uniformly, हर साल सेम नंबर से इंक्रीज हो रही है प्रोडक्शन. Therefore, we will assume this as an AP, and this will be the fourth term of the AP. So what is the fourth term? A plus 3D. Next, he has given A8 should be 2600. What is A8? A plus 7D. Now student, if you look carefully, these are two linear equations in A and D. Can we solve these two linear equations? Yes or no? Apply the addition subtraction method, subtract them, sign changed. This will be cancelled out. What we are left with? Minus 4D equal to minus 800. Minus minus cancel. D comes out to be 800 by 4. That is 200. So common difference is 200. Put in any of the value. A plus 3D equal to 1800. So A plus 600 equal to 1800. A is equal to right, bacho? So what will be the first term? What will be the production in the first year? 1200. Is it okay? Is this okay to everyone? If yes, if all of you have understood, please raise your hands. माइक तो आप लोगों ने बंद किया हुआ है बच्चे. So this is the only way. Now please do the second part. Find the production in the 12th year. Please do it. Now you have A also, you have D also. You can do it. Yes, students, done. Find the 12th term. हाँ जी बच्चे, माइक ऑन करके बताइए जरा मुझे कितना आया. यस स्टूडेंट्स, इतना मुश्किल नहीं था सेकंड पार्ट तो बेटा. A plus 11D. You have to find the production in the 12th year. That's mean A plus 11D. A is 1200 plus 11 into 200 because D is 200. So इसको simplify करेंगे, how much you will get? 1200 plus 2200. That comes out to be 3400. Those students who have not done, please can complete this question. Right, this is the second part. Now the third part is, students, find the total production in the first 10 years. What do you mean by total production? Whatever the number of cars have been produced in 10 years. 10 years, you have to find the sum of that. That means S10. What is S10? N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1, 10 minus 1, 9 into D. So this comes out to be 5, 24 plus 18, 42. That comes out to be 21,000 cars that will produce in first 10 years. The fourth question, second part, there is another question. In which year the total production will reach to 15,000 cars? You have to find the N when it will reach to 15,000 cars. Now AN is given to you. AN is 15,000. You have to find N. A is given to you 1200. D is 200. So please find the N. Please do find students N. Just a moment, students. It is a total production. It is a total production. You will take SN this as, not AN. It is given total production, means total production of 15,000 cars, right? In which year it will be achieved. So it will be SN. SN is given, A is given to you, D is given to you. You have to find N. ये बेटा हो जाएगा क्वेश्चन आप लोगों का. इसके अंदर आपकी क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन फॉर्म हो जाएगी. मैं आपको इक्वेशन बना के दे देता हूं बेटा. SN is equal to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into 200. ये हो जाएगा 30,000 इक्वल टू N 2400 प्लस 200N minus 200. 30,000 equal to 200N into N, 200N square, 2400 minus 200, 2200 means plus. ये क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बन गई बच्चों. 200 यू कैन टेक कॉमन. 200 आप दोनों तरफ से कॉमन ले सकते हो जी, राइट. सो जब आपने 200 कॉमन लिया तो यहाँ पे बचा 150. 200 कॉमन हेयर आल्सो. N square plus 11N. This cancel. So equation will be minus 150. इस इक्वेशन को आप सॉल्व कर लेना बच्चे. You will get the answer. Right? Is this clear? चलिए, we move on to the next question. Next question, student, is subjective question. Question number 9. Justify whether it is true to say that the following are the nth terms of an AP. Now here 3 questions are given. 3 parts are there. Right? Justify whether it is true. Nth term means AN is given. You have to check whether this is an AP or not. Can anybody tell me how to check whether it is an AP or not? Can anybody tell me how to check? ये जो बॉयज बैठे हैं ना सबसे फ्रंट पे, ये आ जाइए जरा एक बार बेटा. लेफ्ट हैंडेड स्टूडेंट आ जाओ, आ जाओ. एक ही बच्चा नजर आ रहा मुझे लेफ्ट हैंडेड है जो. आ जाओ, आ जाओ बच्चे, आ जाओ. आपको ही बुला रहा हूँ. नहीं, इनको नहीं, आपको ही बुला रहा हूँ. यू प्लीज स्टैंड अप सरदार जी बॉय. प्लीज कम. यस, माइक तो ऑन करो बेटा. माइक के बिना नहीं आवाज आएगी. यस, Please tell me how to check whether this is an AP or not.
कॉमन डिफरेंस
हाँ जी,
कॉमन डिफरेंस
कॉमन डिफरेंस कितना कटाएंगे बेटा? यस, पता ही नहीं, पता कैसे निकालना है, बताओ फिर बच्चे।
सेकंड टर्म में सब बात
हाँ जी,
सेकंड टर्म में सब बात
नहीं यार, प्लीज सिट डाउन, प्लीज सिट डाउन। ये जो फ्रंट बेंच पे गर्ल स्टूडेंट बैठे हैं, ये बताइए जरा सेंटर लाइन में। प्लीज स्टैंड अप, बोथ ऑफ यू, प्लीज स्टैंड अप। Yes, tell me how to check whether this is an AP or not.
A2 minus A1.
We don't have A2 or A1. We have only AN. How we'll get the A1 and A2? Sit down, बच्चे, बिल्कुल simple है. You put N as 1. That will be the first term. Put N as 1. That will be the first term. That is minus 1. Put N as 2. That will be the second term. Right? Similarly, if you want, you can put N as 3. You must put 3 values at least. Why? I'll tell you later on. This will be 3. Now, what is the difference of these two? A2 minus A1. What is A2 minus A1? 1 minus minus 1. That is 2. What is the difference of second and third term? A3 minus A2. 3 minus 1. This is 2. So, common difference comes out to be the same. So, therefore, it is an AP. Right? This is an AP or not, bacho?
Yes, sir.
The shortcut I can tell you, whenever this AN is a linear function, linear means one variable linear function, then it is an AP. It is always an AP. Is this clear, bacho? Disconnection.